all I know is you're fine when you do what you do. And babe, I wanna make you mine. When I see those lips move, I'm thinking, damn girl, yeah, just let me be your man, girl. Your blood's running through my veins like it's cocaine. We always move fast, never in the slow lane. Enough foreplay, baby, this my domain. Don't wait, take the wheel and we can go play. Oh, you a bad girl, know what you like, yeah. Said you like your eggs with a little sunny side, yeah. Said you make them beg for seconds every time, yeah. I'm here to feel your legs out, tingle at the night, yeah. All I know is you're fine when you do what you do. And babe, I wanna make you mine. When I see those lips move, I'm thinking, damn girl, yeah, just let me be your man, girl. She got me falling by the way that she falling down that pole, throwing ones like I'm ballin'. Call me a pro, cause I know how to call them. Damn, she fine, I just wanna see her roll. I like rock and roll, don't stop it, no. I like a bad chick, dropping low down to the floor. Her body, I'll explore. The neighbors hate, ignore. They banging out my door, she's screaming out. And all I know is you're fine when you do what you do. And babe, I wanna make you mine. When I see those lips move, I'm thinking, damn girl, yeah, just let me be your man, girl. And all I know is you're fine when you do what you do. And babe, I wanna make you mine. When I see those lips move, I'm thinking, damn girl, yeah, just let me be your man, girl. Rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame, baby, can't get a play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Yeah, like J. Cole, it's my first time. Goddamn, man, she's so fine. She got a body and a sharp mind. Not a nine, she a straight dime. Short skirt and some high socks. She finish off with a crop top. She likes hip-hop and hard rock. She likes heavy drops, that's hot. I said I'm in it to win it, cause if I want it, I get it. Just give me time, we'll be sinning. Just give me time, I'll be swimming up in a diamond. I'm winning, pinning her down, and I'm in it, yeah. Oh man, my thoughts are explicit. I like to test out my limits, already got me addicted, yeah. Just to the thought of her vivid. Tell all my friends I'm gon' get it. At the next party, I'll hit it, yeah. A long time I've been waiting, though. Yeah, let's go. A couple shots of that whiskey, a couple more and we're tipsy. My heart is beating so quickly, I think I like being risky. Oh God, her boy's so tricky, and fuck, I'm way too dizzy. I think those shots just hit me. That's when she said, get in me. So I roll up to the party, dude. I look around, man, nothing new. I see my girl sipping on a brew. That's when I knew what I wanna do. My heart's fast, so I talk slow. And what I'm saying, man, I don't know. I just hope I look like a pro. Cause all I wanna do is take her home. Yeah. Body like a spinner. We're sipping on liquor, catalyst for a sinner. I feel my blood run thinner, straight to my liver. Now I wanna pull the trigger, roll. I wanna move a little quicker, skipping on the dinner, feeling on your figure, turn the lights down dimmer. Think I picked a winner, doesn't know I'm a beginner, so I hope I can deliver. Time I've been waiting on. Yeah, let's go. A couple shots of that whiskey, a couple more and we're tipsy. My heart is beating so quickly, I think I like being risky. Oh God, her bras so tricky, and fuck, I'm way too dizzy. I think those shots just hit me. That's when she said, get in me. Let's go, yeah. Rolling up to the frat house and we bout to rock it. Get them ladies on the dance floor, about to drop it. Once the music starts, we ain't never gonna stop it. Listen real close, man, all you hear is gossip. All you hear is gossip. Man, all I hear is gossip. Yeah. Let's go, she's talking gossip. Yo, I heard that Trevor couldn't fit into a Magnum. Got Becky pregnant cause it broke during action. Dropping out now was a football captain. Working that Subway, what the fuck happened? Annie and a push-up bra looking fantastic. But they're both fake, man, chest full of plastic. Always seeing trouble for it like a weird fabric. Got the boys staring at a schoolgirl Catherine. Stacy's like a tutor cause she loves giving brain. Timmy's at the hung with his third leg, dang. Joe's an alcoholic addicted to Bombay. Wait, Kelly gave David STD in 9th grade. Katie likes to dance and they say her ass will not quit. Once you get her going, man, I heard that she can't stop it. Ricky hit it from the back, said he gotta pop quick. This is all the shit I hear, man, call it gossip. That's right, call it gossip. I hear these people fucking talking, man, all I hear is gossip. Damn, this shit is fucking gossip. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go, gossip. Jason's falling down after drinking several Mickeys. Kevin's got the whole neck full of Jenny's hickeys. What's in all her hair and why is it so sticky? When they all hooked up, David, Tess, and Nikki. Make a small town girl, welcome to the big city. She a nice country girl and she looking real pretty. Get her to the bedroom to get busy. Yeah, little did you know, damn, this girl's filthy. Yeah, we're getting hella fucked up, talking about who knows what. Talking shit and getting lit, we're filling up my red cup. Jackie's got a nice butt, heard she likes to try stuff. Telling lies to pass the time, we're never gonna shut up. Eddie's still a virgin even though he says he lost it. David says he wants a threesome with 2 hot chicks. Kelly says she's down, if he wants it then he got it. This is all the shit I hear, man, call it gossip. Man, I hear the gossip. Okay, yeah. All you hear is gossip. Yeah, gossip. Yeah, let's go, let's go. Yo, Benny in the basement, hooking up with Jason. Always has another guy in the rotation. All this temptation,
last verse, but you know I'll never stop it. Love it too much, man, always wanna talk shit. Ladies all around, keep it going, they will not quit. This is all the shit I hear, man, call it gossip.
The way she moves, body got me mystified. Things I wanna do, I can't even justify. Just wanna see you move, baby, look me in the eyes. God, they pretty too, you ain't got nothing to hide, yeah. Watch out for the pretty ones. They move fast like they living in the city once. Too much sass, but they draw you in with witty tongues. It won't last, she gon' eat you, she a twisted one. Yeah, the way she move that body round, got 'em pouring up, drown. Try to guzzle it down to the courage they found. Talking to her right now, she gon' shoot 'em all down. Just another in the crowd, yeah. And I don't really know why, but I always have to go try. A gypsy into me highs, a gypsy telling me lies, yeah. She said she wanna be with me, fine. I think she might be real or might be playing me. I need someone honestly who really wants to be mine, yeah. Cause it's lonely in my free time. The way she moves, body got me mystified. The things I wanna do, I can't even justify. Just wanna see you move, baby, look me in the eyes. God, they pretty too, you ain't got nothing to hide. The way she moves, body got me mystified. The things I wanna do, I can't even justify. Just wanna see you move, baby, look me in the eyes. God, they pretty too, you ain't got nothing to hide. All alone, sitting on my phone, waiting, never know. In the zone, screen so bright they show everything I don't, what to do. I just wanted you, didn't have a clue. Look at me, tell me what you see, help me let you free. I could be everything you want, everything you need. Come and see all that we could be. If you run with me, take it fast, I'ma make it last. Just forget the past and we'll be lost within the sea. Baby, you and me, ay. Yeah, the ladies turn me to a monster. Heartbreakers and I can't see my doctor. So broken by the girls on my roster. I thought I loved her, but for some reason I lost her. I'm up and down like I'm sitting in a copter. I got a new girl, but I know it's not her. The other day I thought I almost forgot her, but every night she comes back to my thoughts, yeah. The way she moves, body got me mystified. Things I wanna do, I can't even justify. Just wanna see you move, baby, look me in the eyes. God, they pretty too, you ain't got nothing to hide. The way she moves, body got me mystified. Things I wanna do, I can't even justify. Just wanna see you move, baby, look me in the eyes. God, they pretty too, you ain't got nothing to hide.
Hey man, how the hell you doing? I've been just fine, living life
says that she loves me, she just wants to fuck me. Got me feeling something, got me feeling nothing. Alcoholic junkie, says she thinks I'm funny. Think I might get lucky, spending too much money. She says she wants my necklace, put her on the guest list. Hope I don't regret this, hope I don't regret this. I'm feeling hella reckless, cashing all my checks rich. Hickeys on my neck, shit, she's on the offensive. I do not know my set list, still I'm gonna get lit. Yeah, I have a death wish, live until I'm breathless. I'ma stay progressive, she gon' stay obsessive. Life is so expensive, do everything excessive. I think my brain's defective, yeah. Can't think when she's aggressive, yeah. She snuck into my section, yeah. You think I'd learn my lesson, yeah. And we ain't getting no sleep. These girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show me, yeah. And we ain't getting no sleep. These girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show me. Cause we ain't getting no sleep, yeah. No, we ain't getting no sleep, yeah. She's sitting up in the front of the class, using that ass, she gonna pass. Keeping her pad and her pen in her lap. She been so bad with the men in her past. Now she just want the professor so bad. I'll give her lessons that she never had, like taking a freshman and teaching her math. I'll keep her guessing until she a grad. She always leaves them guessing, they don't know what's next, man. Learned it from the best, man. She loving every lesson, with hands-on sessions, points for attendance. She asks a lot of questions, I answer with my presence. I sit back while I'm texting, said she wants to get it in, said she'll bring her best friend. Know what happened next, man, you know what happened next, man. Treat her like a guest, man, rolling out the best, man. She had a confession, yeah. She wanna stay for a minute, she wanna play for a minute, she wanna slay for a minute, and now I'm all up in it. I'll be back in a minute, I'll be back in a minute, make a track in a minute, and now I'm all up in it. No sleep. These girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show me, yeah. And we ain't getting no sleep. These girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show me. Cause we ain't getting no sleep. out for me. But all the bad girls you take out for me. All the good girls, they don't pull the trigger. But all the bad girls, they to get down and party. Switching
ini pembalapnya senior semua di sini. Ada Kegabutan 27 pembalap junior Jawa Barat. Ada Rizky Guna pembalap junior di Jawa Barat. Ada Indrajit juga pembalap kategori junior di Jawa Barat. Itu ada 3 pembalap. Jangan Bapak Kepala Desa mempersiapkan diri setelah ini. Berhubungan bahwa saudara terjuga mulai ada
they know that this all the good girls are really good girls. All the bad girls are really good girls. Baby, don't slow it down, let's keep going. And I think that you should lose growth. That all the good girls just need coaching. Show me how, let's get on it. Just let you ride.
silakan Bapak